Today we are going to make a random terrain in Scratch. It's going to be highly jagged, so... Oh yeah, I forgot to welcome you. Yeah, welcome to my channel, everyone. So, first of all, we'll need to make a new rock. Yeah. Create terrain at... No, we don't need that actually. With accuracy and size. Actually, minimum height, max height, max. Maybe we should make it. It's getting too much. So, color R R G A. I need all these parts. And did I just lose all my progress? Oh, anyways, let's have one more try. Did I just lose all my progress? Um, do my spelling. So, let's run it without screen refresh so that we can see it really quickly. So it's a lot of inputs. Let's write the code for it. So we'll first have to set x to the end, which is going to be minus 240. So set x to minus 240, 40. Set y to, this is also 180. Minus 180 actually. So separate of this box actually. Now we don't need it. Yeah. Repeat how many are there? 480. But we have to think of the size because every time the pen will be moving this much pixels to the right. Now if I change x by size and keep it at the this much, the surely it will not go off screen and the things will just pile up here. The last things. So I just say we use the division block. I say we use the division block, put the A in the right side and B in the left side. We use 480, the width of the scratch screen. Now we have to keep the pen down and color it. Now. We need some addition blocks because we are going to keep the RGB values over here. Okay. So we just need this much. Now we need multiplication block, but we need only two multiplication blocks. Okay, 25536. Clearly extra. Must be carefully. 256, that's it. Now we need to drag the R in here, G in here, P in here. Now we have to get the actual movements. Change UI by. This one comes in handy many times. So min to max. If we change UI by, then I just keep the pen up. Next, we are going to have the change x by. Yeah, this block. So what value are we going to put? Of course, yeah, you are correct. Accuracy. Yeah, we are putting in the accuracy thing. Good. But there is something which is known as pen size. So go to the pen extension, set pen size to, I just say accuracy. Yeah, accuracy will be nice. Then. Oh well, not this thing. Over here. Yeah, I did not enter any value. For here, so it won't be right. So I need this block. So I'll just. Oh yeah, we need this erase all block. Minimum height I'm going to give of 50, 100. So it's going to be either 100 pixels or 50 pixels. Again, for some classic green things. So, yeah. I think 3 will be good. Wee! Wee, 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 wah! Yeah, 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 yeah. Wee! We can also make it a bit flat. Look, whoa, it looks perfect. If I even change it less, but still it will do the correct thing. So here is our success. Here in the analysis, there are many things that you can make. The interesting projects that you can make with this idea of yours. Let's break down the code block by block. This is going to, so for the final explanation, let's break it down block by block. This is going to define it. This is going to clear the screen so that there's nothing. Okay, no residue. Just set the pen size to whatever value are entered here. Then it will repeat. It will set y to the bottom. Then pen down. It will send the pen down. It will check the pen color according to the G values. Actually, we can move it. Oops. Yeah. I can move it over here. Why does it have to repeat it all? Well, we can understand change will be in min to max and pen up over here. Yeah. We'll put the pen down. We'll pick a random number. Pen up. Change just the X and even if I did not give the pen up, nothing would have happened. So it's the end of my tutorial. Please subscribe for new tutorials.